Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I am making something so neat. These are gonna be pizza roses, and they are so easy. All you're gonna need are some crescent rolls, mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, and your favorite pasta sauce. Let's do it. So you open up your package, roll it out. They have these little perforations. You're going to just close them up, and then you're going to separate it. So now you have two pieces. So first we start off with 2 pieces. Now we're going to cut this to 3 pieces. Now I'm going to add a light layer of pasta sauce to each of my crescent pieces. Next I'm going to add some cheese. This is so cute. You're going to add cheese to all your slices. Now you're going to put your pepperoni, and you have to have it on the edge, sticking out. And right there I have a 375-degree oven, nice and hot, waiting. Look at this. You just put them all the way across, like this. Okay, so now you start rolling. You roll them up. There you go. And here's your rose. Is this adorable? Look at this. Now right here, I have a muffin pan. I sprayed it with a non-stick cooking spray. And I'm going to continue, and I'm going to put them in my muffin pan as I go. And here are my pizza roses. They have not been cooked. Now we're going to put them in a 375-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'll let you know. 375, 20 minutes. Look how cute this comes out. Pizza roses. Just have a side of your pasta sauce. They come out so cute, you guys. Valentine's Day is coming. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time.